Hello guys, Charles here and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be teaching you 5 levels of the harmonic minor scale to go from a linear scale approach like this to a more outside intervallic chromatic approach like this. So this lesson is for anybody who wants to unlock the harmonic minor scale up and down the neck. There is only one note difference between the previously learned melodic minor scale, which had a flattened third, and the harmonic minor scale, which has a flattened third and a flattened sixth. Therefore, I'd recommend that you are familiar with the previous 3 lessons on the major scale and melodic minor scale before moving on to the harmonic minor scale. We'll be putting the harmonic minor scale through the same exercises as we did in the major mastery video, the outside approach to scales video, and the 5 levels of melodic minor video. Because we discussed each of these exercises in great detail in the previous 3 videos, we'll just dive straight into them today. But if you do want any further explanation or justification, simply refer back to those previous 3 videos. The first level is to learn where the notes of the harmonic minor scale live when compared to the chord shapes of the cage system. We're using the same shapes as we did for the melodic minor video, with one difference, which is the flattened sixth, and we're going to be using a strict 3 notes per string rule, with the exception of the G string, which is going to always only have 2 notes on it. Be aware that I'm playing my 7-string guitar, so you should ignore the low B string nearest my face. Next we'll follow a strict 3 notes per string pattern. On the last note of each of the 7 positions, we'll slide 1 note up through the scale, taking us into the new position or mode of the scale. The final linear approach is a strict 4 notes per string pattern. Now we'll apply the voice-led 4-7-3-6-2-5-1 arpeggios to the harmonic minor scale. Finally, the chromatic approach is based on the family of 4. So hopefully there was something in this video which you feel you can take away and work on. Please let me know down below in the comments any advice or approaches which you've personally used to increase your harmonic minor confidence. Finally, please do give this video a like, subscribe, ding the notification bell, and share with any of your friends who you think will find this useful. I hope you're all doing very well and getting plenty of practice in, and I very much look forward to seeing you in the next one. Cheers!
Roll up, let me embed a story you'll never forget. A drip, drip, you're drowning in debt now. You can't buy your way out.